Hey everybody, this is Kanban Cody. In this video, we begin the project selection process by learning how to identify problem areas within the business, and then we'll learn how to prioritize business needs. At the end of this video, you'll learn the following tools: performance metric mapping and the strategy tree. Finding a Six Sigma project that will gain the respect, attention, and time of your manager and the broader organization requires the following attributes. The project must be aligned to the greater needs of the organization. The project must actually address a real business need that impacts an interest of the entire organization. And in order to be successful, your project must address areas that are within your control. Knowing these attributes, let's now go into the topic of alignment and business need. Six Sigma projects are focused on results. Oftentimes, this means financial results or other important metrics the company tracks. In general, metrics are categorized in the following ways: business level metrics, operations level metrics, and process level metrics. To put all the metrics above in perspective, we'll learn a simple tool called performance metric mapping. This tool takes us from business level to operations level to process level. This tool can help us identify business needs that are within our control. That's the perfect recipe for a Six Sigma project. The first step is to understand the strategic objectives of the organization. Generally, these are business level metrics, not just your process or department, but the entire organization type of metric. Usually, most organizations will have this readily available and may look like the following: become the leader at X, or provide the best patient satisfaction at Y. Sometimes, there's a 3-year plan involved in these statements. You might want to come up with a table that looks like this. In the rows, you see key business measures or top-level metrics such as net cash or stock turn. On the columns, you see the current performance, followed by year 1, year 2, and year 3 targets. Something like this may be helpful as you identify business needs of your organization. You should spend time with your manager or your finance partner to understand the top-level metrics that are important. In step 2, we want to begin the process of mapping the top-level strategic metrics to the secondary level, or operations level. In this step, we want to know which department contribute to the specific top-level metric. In this example, the rows represent the top-level strategic metrics. The column represents the department or internal organizations that can influence the top-level metric. In the cells of the table, you want to identify with some type of ranking whether the department has influence and to what level it influences the top-level metric. Using this example, if we want to improve the metric total turnover, then we need to spend time in all the departments because they all contribute to the metric of total turnover. What we don't know is to which level each of these departments contribute to that metric. Finding a business need and eventually a project is the next step of the exercise. Once this step has been done, then you can now go into the specific department for which you've been assigned. You can do this knowing that the needs you find in that department and the subsequent project you end up leading will contribute to the top-level strategic metric. Once you've done the mapping, one way to visualize the relationship between metrics is to create a strategy tree. Here's an example of a strategy tree. Now, let's go through each section and show you how the strategy tree ties all the metrics and levels together. True north. Not every company has a true north, but having one can provide vision and direction. The true north for this particular company is improve lives. The next step below true north is the perspective of the business. For this company, it's the following: leader in diamond solutions. And, as we learn in the video on the voice of the customer and their perspective is perhaps one of the most important and must be captured. For this company, they captured the voice of the customer in this way: best relationships, best products, and best speed. For this company, they identified these three attributes as critical to quality elements that help the customer be happy. Now, all of this is important and good, but how does the business win? This next section shows the top-level metrics for this business to win on all of the levels above. For this specific company, they tie all the levels together with the principles of lean, like so. The very last section or level ties everything together and reveals the specific metrics and areas that need to be improved and tied all together with the previous levels in the strategy tree. It is at this level that Lean and Six Sigma projects are found, and you can be rest assured that the need you identify in the project you lead at this level will tie to the previous levels and is important to the organization. Remember, alignment, business need, and within your control are the three critical things you must have in your Six Sigma project in order to be successful. But what do you do when there are several projects that impact the top-level metrics? So up next, we'll discuss how to prioritize projects using the project selection matrix. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. This is Kanban Cody. Until next time.